Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the end of survey experience. By the end of this video, you will understand how to edit your end of survey message, customize your end of survey element, and learn some use cases for the end of survey element. To begin, let's go to our survey and scroll to the end of survey section. As you can see, the default end of survey experience consists of a pre-written message that thanks the respondent for taking the survey and lets them know that their responses have been recorded. Once you click on it, you will see a messaging tab on the left-hand side where you can edit the end of survey message via a drop-down menu. If we want to display a custom message, we must select custom and then choose a message from our message libraries. If we need to create a new message, simply click new message. When creating a new message, we must give the message a name by writing inside of the description text box. This allows us to find it later on if we ever need to use it on a different survey. We can also always edit these messages by going into the message library. Once we've given the message a name, fill in the body with any information you would like to display to the respondent and click Save. This message will now be displayed to any respondent who finishes the survey. If we want to redirect our respondents to a different website, we can do so by clicking the drop-down, choosing Redirect to URL, and adding the URL. Our last option on this section is to include a response summary. This will display both the default end of survey message and include a summary of the respondent's responses underneath. Another way we can customize the end of survey experience is by going into the survey flow and adding an end of survey element. If we click Customize and then select to override survey options, we have a large set of options to choose from. These first three are the same options we just went over in the survey builder. However, the remaining include the ability to send a thank you email, skip the quota count, remove personal information, remove the entire response record, and screen out responses. This feature is especially useful when we are screening out respondents based on their responses. For example, in this survey, I only want respondents whose favorite sports are either soccer or basketball. So, if they choose any other sport, I can use a branch element and include my end of survey element that will display a custom message letting them know that they are not eligible for my study. This is how it looks for respondents who didn't choose either of the acceptable sports in my survey. And that's it. Thank you for learning how to customize your end of survey experience with me today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or make a post on the experience community. I hope to see you there.